I was playing guitar with Jimmie Gilmore. We were on tour with Natalie Merchant. We were in a town car with a driver, sound man, and we were chasing her bus all over the Southeast. And I said, Jimmie, I got a call from a woman named Christine Albert. She wants me to play a gig with her. You think I should do it? And he said, yeah, but watch out, you'll fall in love with her.
I'm going to do a Lucinda song because Christine always requests it. And if this band doesn't know it, they'll know it quicker than I do.
Like I'm gone and lost my best friend, Lost my best friend. This train is rolling down the wrong track again. Up in New York City, trying to be a star, walking around on the streets, no one knows who you are, you are. Got to get out of all those Texas bars. Now at midnight, when they're just rolling in, feels like I've gone and lost my best friend, Lost my best friend. This train is rolling down the wrong track again. Saying you ain't got no gig, You ain't got no gig. If you send me a present, won't you make it a $2 raise? Now at midnight, when it's rolling in, feels like I've gone and lost my best friend, Lost my best friend. This train is rolling down the wrong track again. Play again, Bill. I ain't got nobody, I ain't got no girl. Gonna get my Mercury and drive around the world, around the world. All around the world. When I reach that mountain top, I'm gonna watch those flags unfurl. Howlin' at midnight, winter's rolling in. Feels like I'm gone and I've lost my best friend, my best friend. Lost my best friend.